So today I would like to talk about the less glamorous part of running a small business, and that is bookkeeping and accounting. So I had minimal training when I got my small business. Well, sorry, it was business associate's degree. And accounting, though I took like 3 accounting classes, and it was the hardest thing that I ever did in my whole life. But now I'm really realized it is just so important. So I'm really proud of myself for how far I've come with bookkeeping. And this year, my challenge to myself is to make more of an effort to do it weekly so I don't have to do it all at the end of the year. So, yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little peek.
And I would like to continue off of that last little video. I when I say that I'm proud of myself for how far I've come, I'm not saying that I am very good at bookkeeping. It's actually something that I've really struggled with in my small business. But I have grown a lot in the process of learning how to do it. Like I like to use the Wave app, which is a really great tool that you can use when you go to H&R Block, when you have a bookkeeper do the end of the year taxes for you, where you can actually connect your business account and have all your transactions be put to date so you can go and categorize it and not have to type in everything. So that's been helpful. And then, I'm trying to get back into the loop of doing actual budgeting. So far I've only found one, and it's like I have to manually type everything in because it's free, so I don't have to pay for it. And some of these things, they're expensive when you pay for them monthly, yearly fee to have all the extra perks of just making your life easier. So I think one thing that I would want to say, the message that I want to get across on this topic of bookkeeping and accounting, which is definitely the less glamorous part of the job, unless you are a bookkeeper or an accountant, then that means you're just doing what you want to do, which is great. And God bless y'all, because seriously, we need you. Is something my meditation today is, instead of thinking of, oh, I have to do this, to think of it as I get to do this. What an honor. I get to, report and take note of how much I made selling my art. But then I have to make an effort so I can be prepared in advance to set everything to the side that I need for taxes. Or how much monthly am I paying for all the other fees and supplies? Is it sustainable? And I think that's the hardest part for me, is seeing the actual numbers, like when you type it in and you see the actual numbers of how much money goes where. That's the power of budgeting. It's like you're like this, like, oh, ah, I have only XYZ left. But that's like, how would you know? Like, to maybe know if you need to make it more sustainable if you realize how much is left over at the end of the month. But yeah, that's it. Okay. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.